without wasting time, I would like to invite Rajput sir from MVM Tikamgarh, Principal MVM Tikamgarh, to carry on the program. Rajput sir. Rajput sir, are you listening to me? कर लेते हैं एमवीएम छतरपुर से रिव्यू ऑफ द प्रीवियस डे विजेता राणा मैडम विल प्रेजेंट द रिव्यू ऑफ द प्रीवियस डे विजेता राणा मैडम
Yes, sir. Jai Gurudev, sir.
जय गुरुदेव टू ऑल ऑफ यू जय गुरुदेव
Jai Gurudev to all respected principals and my colleagues. I, Vijeta Rana, feel honored to be part of this MCBE course, and today I got a pleasure to present yesterday's session review on behalf of my school. Yesterday's session was conducted by Mr. B.S. Guleria, Sir, Principal MBM Ratanpur. He had covered three major topics. First, understanding the unified field chart. Second, preparing and using unified field chart in the classroom. And the last topic was Maharishi speaks on the technology of the unified field chart. Review for the same topic had given by Mrs. Mamta Divedi and same was summarized by Mrs. Geeta Dubey ma'am. As we all know, Unified Field Chart play a vital role in Maharishi consciousness-based education. We use a Unified Field Chart to graphically display the relationship of the entire discipline to its basis in the field of transcendental consciousness, the unified field of national law, which is directly unified field, experienced by the students through their transcendental meditation and TM Siddhi programs. Maharishi ji gave a brief description of the unified field chart. That knowledge of any subject given in the class is shown connected to the whole knowledge of the subject, and this whole field of knowledge is shown seated in the self of the student. Maharishi ji has also said that this theme of teaching of connecting the part to the whole has several
okay
advantages which render education fulfilling. Jai Gurudev and Jai Maharishi.
thank you very much ma'am thank you very much for the brief review of the previous day. Now I would like to invite Mr. Mangal Singh Rajput sir, Principal MVM Tikamgarh, to please carry forward the program, carry on the program.
Jai Gurudev, it is my great pleasure to represent before you the topic Maharshi's Fundamentals of Progress and Culture. I express my gratitude to our respected regional coordinator, Sri C.K. Sharma sir, for providing me this great opportunity. Now, as it is our custom, I warm welcome. From the behalf of our regional coordinator, Sri C.K. Sharma sir, and all the facilitator of MCB course 2, I welcome you all, my fellow teachers. Up to now, we have completed our MCB course 1, and presently we are pursuing course 2, in which we are guided by scholars like Nimkar ma'am, Shuman ma'am, Guleria sir, Mamta ma'am. Among them, my contribution is just like the squirrel in building Sri Ram Setu. Now I start with quote from Maharshi ji. The theme of imparting total knowledge really covers the entire field of knowledge, from whole to part, from part to whole, from seed to tree, from tree to seed, from I to my, from my to I, from innermost to outermost, from outermost to innermost. This was the quotation Maharshi ji spoke to the students. Very likely said in Bhagavad Gita, Purnamidah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. पूर्ण में से पूर्ण को यदि ले निकाल, पूर्ण फिर भी शेष ही रहता सदा। Education is fulfilled when the mind of a man, the heart of a man, the intellect of a man, and the action of a man.
Not audible, sir.
My voice is clear to you all?
Sir, yes, sir. It is clear, sir. It is
Okay,
clear,
okay.
sir.
Yes, voice is clear, Rajputji.
Okay, thank
It
you.
is very
sir.
clear.
Thank you. And the action of a man are performed. Profound thinking and profound action alone can result in profound achievement, and that alone will result in profound fulfillment. Maharshi, Science of Creative Intelligence. Now, as we start our teaching, every time we begin with the wholeness of the lesson. Wholeness is just like the, you may say, Maharshi ji said, water the root and enjoy the fruit. The wholeness of the lesson is, the unified field is the home of all the laws of nature, which structures the geographical and the climatic condition of a region, which in turn structure the way of the living or the cultural tradition in the region. Through the regular practice of transcendental meditation and TMCD program, we awaken the source of all the culture in our awareness and spontaneously begin to live in tune with the traditional values of our land and enjoy the support of all the laws of nature in everything we do. A culture is more than just a collection of individual customs, rituals, and traditions. It is the whole that emerges when all of these elements combine into our experience of life. Through the regular practice of transcendental meditation and TMCD program, we enliven the experience of the greatest whole, which is the source of all culture in our own awareness. If the group is large enough, we can enliven the source of all culture in the collective consciousness of all the members of our culture, be creating the foundation for an invincible culture and a harmonious, progressive, invincible world family. Now I come to my topic. As my topic is Maharshi's Fundamentals of Progress and Culture. This is the topic we have to give today. So first I start with the meaning of the culture. Maharshi Mahesh Yogi has defined the word culture into two ways, as a noun and as a verb. Maharshi explained, when we speak of culture as a noun, we are referring to all the values that enrich life in a particular geographical area, the way of living in a region, the values, the way of speaking, dressing, eating, celebrating, mannerism, diet, different colors of national laws, political system, the art, architect, economics, the religion, custom, and tradition of the people that evolved over many centuries. When we speak of culture as a verb, we are speaking of how natural law cultures development so that the person, animal, plant, organization, or community comes to be. यहाँ पर महर्षि जी जब कल्चर की बात करते हैं तो वो दो प्रकार से इसकी मीनिंग्स को हमें समझाते हैं. कल्चर एज ए नाउन, संज्ञा के रूप, यानी किस प्रकार से ये कल्चर हर एक प्रांत का अलग, देश का अलग डिपेंड करता है कि वहाँ उस रीजन की कैसा खान पान है, कैसा रहन सहन है, कैसे उनकी कपड़े हैं, उनके मैनर्स क्या हैं. ये एक तरीके से ये नाउन, एज ए नाउन. और जब महर्षि जी कल्चर एज ए वर्ब की बात करते हैं तो फिर वो बताते हैं कि ये कौन से तत्व हैं, ये कौन से नेचुरल लॉ है जो एक प्रकार से हमें कल्चर करता है, हमें हमारा सृजन करता है कि हम किस प्रकार से डेवलप अपने आप को करें एज ए पर्सन के रूप में, एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के रूप में, या एक समाज या देश के रूप में. increasingly in harmony with all the laws of nature. Remember that a law of nature is a non-changing principle of nature's ordinary function. Nature laws stimulate, for example, the speech of a person, how the laws of nature move the tongue this way to pronounce a letter in a certain way. Natural law cultures the hearing of a cat to respond to the faint murmur, the wind moving a leaf which prompt the cat to move instantly. यहाँ इस उदाहरण से महर्षि जी बताना चाहते हैं कि नेचर अपना कार्य करता है दो प्रकार से, एक बिल्ली के एक्शन से और एक आवाज से। आवाज तो एक नेचुरल लॉ का सोर्स है और बिल्ली का एक्शन जो है वो आपका एक प्रकार से उसकी प्रतिक्रिया। तो बिल्ली ने कोई साउंड सुनी, आवाज, उसकी प्रतिक्रिया हुई, वो सचेत हुई और वहां से चली गई। अब तो क्वेश्चन है कि ये कल्चर आता कहाँ से है, कहाँ से ओरिजिनेट होता है। तो यहाँ पर फिर ये अपन अभी तक बार बार पढ़ते और सुनते आ रहे हैं, कोर्स 1 में भी अपन ने पढ़ा है, कोर्स 2 में भी पढ़ रहे हैं कि सब चीज का जो बेस है वो नेचुरल लॉ है, या यूनिफाइड फील्ड ऑफ नेचुरल लॉ इज द होम ऑफ ऑल द लॉज ऑफ नेचर। जितने भी प्रकृति के सिद्धांत हैं सभी का होम, सभी का आश्रय स्थल, या वहां से इमर्जेज होते हैं, उत्पन्न होते हैं, चाहे वो यूनिवर्सल लॉ हो और चाहे वो लोकल लॉ हो। दो प्रकार के लॉज, नेचर लॉज हो रहे हैं, एक आपका यूनिवर्सल जो कि समग्रता से संपूर्ण सृष्टि में व्याप्त है, और एक लोकल जो पर्टिकुलर उस एरिया का होगा। जैसे कि कोल्ड कंट्रीज हैं तो वहाँ का कोल्ड का, और जहाँ डिजर्ट कंट्रीज हैं वहाँ डिजर्ट का, नेचुरल। नाउ my next sub point is the significance of culture. इस कल्चर का महत्व क्या है? कल्चर इज दैट विच कल्चर्स। ये सेंटेंस अपने आप में बहुत कुछ कहता है कि कल्चर वह है जो हमारा सृजन करता है, हमें एक अच्छा इंसान बनाता है। When we culture a seed, a tree grows with many more seeds. एक अगर आपने सीड को कल्चर किया, यानी उसको आपने पौधा बनाया, तो फिर उस पौधे से भी कई सारे ऐसे पौधे बढ़े रहे हैं, या उसी पौधे में कई सारे बीज निकलेंगे जो कई सारे पौधों को बनाएंगे। इन द सेम वे when we live in tune with the local tradition custom, we are cultured by our local laws of nature and our life blossoms. इसी प्रकार से जब हम अपने देश के, अपने एरिया के कल्चर के हिसाब से अपनी रीति नीति चलते हैं तो हमारा जीवन खुशहाल होता है। कल्चरल ट्रेडिशन अराइज एज expression of the local laws of nature in which people live. When people live in an equatorial desert, for example, the traditional dress is one that keep them cool. For example, long flowing robes. In colder climate, the people wear heavier, tighter clothing to block out the cold and keep in the warmth. However, if a person wears this heavy, tighty clothing in desert, he exposes his physiology to great strain. He violates the local laws of nature governing healthy growth. तो यहाँ आप देख रहे हैं महर्षि जी कहते हैं कि जिस प्रकार से एक ठंडे मुल्क के लोगों के जो कपड़े पहनने का तरीका होता है कि वो टाइटर कपड़े पहनते हैं, हैवियर कपड़े पहनते हैं, और उसके विपरीत जो डेजर्ट, रेगिस्तान वगैरह या गर्म जगह के रहने वाले लोग होते हैं वो हल्के फुल्के हवा में लहराने वाले कपड़े। अगर ये दोनों एक दूसरे का विपरीत कपड़े पहनने लगे तो इससे क्या होगा कि उनकी जो फिजियोलॉजी है उसके ऊपर एक प्रेशर पड़ेगा। और क्यों? क्योंकि वो नेचुरल लॉ का वायलेशन कर रहे हैं। Now, when people don't appreciate or uphold their own cultural value or ignore their cultural value and start copying other culture, this is not life supporting. जब किसी विशेष मुल्क के लोग या देश के लोग किसी अन्य देश की नकल करने लगते हैं और उन चीजों की नकल करने लगते हैं जो लाइफ सपोर्टिंग नहीं है या जो अप्रोप्रिएट नहीं है, तो उसके दुष्परिणाम होते हैं। बिकॉज दोज कल्चरल वैल्यू सपोर्ट लाइफ इन दैट कल्चर नॉट इन देयर ओन। कारण ये है कि अगर डेजर्ट के लोग ठंडे देश के कपड़े पहनेंगे तो उनके हिसाब से वो सही नहीं है, क्योंकि उनका क्लाइमेट, उनका कल्चर वैसा नहीं है। महर्षि जी एक्सप्लेन दैट कॉपिंग अदर कल्चर पुट ए स्ट्रेन ऑन फिजियोलॉजी and in thus not nurturing to our growth, expansion of happiness and success. Now, fundamental of culture, that is why it is so important to be established at the home of all the laws of nature. इसलिए महर्षि जी कहते हैं कि जब हम अपनी सारी सोच, विचार, क्रिया, प्रतिक्रिया सब कुछ जब हम अपने सेल्फ रेफरल से करेंगे तो हमारी सारी चीजें जो व्यवस्था है उसके अनुकूल होगी। Then naturally we uphold the fundamentals of culture. Being established in our own culture, we adopt and integrate from other cultures only those elements that are life supporting for our own culture, and naturally do not adopt any element from other cultures that are weakening to our own. Since the traditional culture of a region is intimately connected to the laws of nature of that region, when we uphold our own one culture's tradition, we live a life closely aligned with the laws of nature lively in our region. तो जब हम अपने देश के कल्चर के साथ रहते हैं तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि जो लॉज ऑफ नेचर के अकॉर्डिंग वो कल्चर्स के नियम बने हुए हैं, इसी से हम अलाइन रहते हैं। इस प्रकार से वही सर्वोत्तम है। दिस मेक अस एबल टू प्रोग्रेस, fulfill our goal with less strain and effort and more success. Traditional cultural values have stood the test of time. They are naturally in tune with the timeless field of non-changing, the home of all the laws of nature, the pure field of creative intelligence. तो इससे ये स्थापित होता है कि जो ट्रेडिशनल कल्चर हैं हमारे, वो समय की कसौटी पर परखे हुए हैं और उनका उद्गम स्थल जो है वो लॉज ऑफ नेचर है, जो कि प्योर फील्ड ऑफ क्रिएटिव इंटेलिजेंस है। महर्षि एक्सप्लेन दैट वी नीड ए वे टू spontaneously live life and accord with natural law. No matter what the influences may be from outside our culture, we need a way to naturally live life in harmony with the total natural law. To do this, our awareness has to be permanently stationed at home. All the laws of nature, transcendental consciousness, from where all universal and local laws of nature arises. With our awareness established in transcendental consciousness, we always naturally think in harmony with all the laws of nature. जब हमारी चेतना या हमारी चेतना का आधार भावातीत ध्यान के आधार पर होता है तो हमारा ज्ञान जो है बहुत श्रेष्ठ होता है, और फिर हम नेचर से तालमेल रखते हुए अपने सारे कार्य करते हैं। We always think right, make the right decision, take the right action. When the people of a culture have the field of total natural law enlivened in their awareness, they automatically take advantage of all the progressive and creative ideas from other cultures without violating any of the local laws of nature guiding the progress and evolution of their own culture. तो जब हमारी थिंकिंग ट्रांसेंडेंटल कॉन्शियसनेस के आधार पर होती है तो हम बिना किसी लोकल लॉ के वायलेशन किए हुए संपूर्णता को आगे बढ़ते हैं। They spontaneously and naturally preserve their own culture because established in the unified field of all the laws of nature, the field of transcendental consciousness, they can only live in tune with all the laws of nature. क्योंकि फिर हम हमेशा all the laws of nature के अकॉर्डिंग ही हमारी ट्यूनिंग रहती है। They naturally cannot violate universal or local natural law. They will only nourish their culture and tradition. This is why, for the preservation of the culture, This is why, for the preservation of the culture, it is best for the people to practice the TM and TMCD program, including yogic flying, which establish individual awareness in the home of all the laws of nature, the unified field of natural laws. The way to assure this is through the group practice of transcendental meditation and TMCD program with yogic flying. When the number of people practicing this technology of consciousness together in one place is equal to the square root of 1% of the total population, the cultural integrity and evolutionary progress of the nation is assured, and it rises to become invincible, enjoying all good and naturally disallowing any negative or weakening influence to take hold. तो जब ये वहां पर बताया जा रहा है कि इन सब का आधार, इन सबको कैसे हम प्राप्त कर सकते हैं, इसका तरीका केवल और केवल एकमात्र है कि हम टीएम और टीएमसीडी प्रोग्राम को योगिक फ्लाइंग के साथ रेगुलर ट्वाइस या डेली हमको करना चाहिए, या जहाँ किया जाता है टोटल पॉपुलेशन का स्क्वायर रूट का 1%, जब एक ग्रुप प्रैक्टिस करते हैं सब लोग एक साथ एक स्थान पर, उस जगह एक अलग आभा विकसित होती है, वहां एक अलग पॉजिटिविटी आती है, सारे नेगेटिव और वीकनिंग इन्फ्लुएंसेस जो होते हैं वो स्वाभाविक रूप से अलग हो जाते हैं. नाउ माय मेन next subtitle is Culture and Progress. It may come up that a student is confused about the relationship between their own traditional culture, values and practices and modern ideas, technology and ways of doing things. आजकल इस बात पर बहुत बहस होती है. जनरली लोग किसी को कोई अपनी प्राचीन परंपरा के अनुसार चलते हुए देखते हैं, तो आज के बच्चे जो हैं उसको बहुत अलग तरीके से देखते हैं. वो सोचते हैं कि ये हम किस प्रकार से अपने कल्चर को भी फॉलो करें और मॉडर्न आइडियाज टेक्नोलॉजी को भी कैसे यूज करें. तो दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन किया जाना चाहिए. यहाँ पर महर्षि जी ये समझा रहे हैं. इट इज वेरी कॉमन and understandable in our era of instant global communication that countries are inspired to adopt aspect of other countries. क्योंकि आज का समय जो है क्विक टेक्नोलॉजी का है. विद इन फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकंड हमें एक जगह से दूसरी जगह की सारी जानकारी प्राप्त हो जाती है. Often less wealthy countries want to do things the way the more wealthy countries do. But if a country forgets or ignores its own cultural tradition, it will miss the great wealth, progress, and creativity inherent in the tradition and traditional value of its own culture. लेकिन यहाँ ये ध्यान देना चाहिए कि जब अगर एक देश अपने देश की कल्चर को, मर्यादाओं को, उनको भूल करके दूसरे देश की नकल करने की कोशिश करता है, तो एक प्रकार से वो अपने देश के कल्चर को इग्नोर कर रहा है. और इग्नोर करने का ये रिजल्ट होता है कि एक प्रकार से वो अपने देश की खुद की उसकी जो अपनी महान पुरातन संस्था है, उसकी परंपरा है, उसको वो मिस कर रहा है. उसकी प्रोग्रेस, उसकी क्रिएटिविटी जो उस ट्रेडिशन में है, उसको वो मिस कर रहा है, भूल रहा है. Here we have the great good fortune for every cultural provided by Maharshi technology of consciousness, the transcendental meditation and TMCD program. हम लोग इस मामले में बहुत सौभाग्यशाली हैं कि हमें महर्षि जी द्वारा प्रदत्त ट्रांसेंडेंटल मेडिटेशन, TM and TMCD प्रोग्राम, इंक्लूडिंग योगिक फ्लाइंग, एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी ऑफ TM, ये सारी की सारी प्राप्त हैं. When the collective consciousness of a culture or a nation is rising in coherence and harmony with large group of yogic flyer, then automatically the cultures become established in all the laws of nature, guiding the orderly evolution of life, both the universal laws of nature and the local laws of nature. Now, I will start the next topic. That is actually the topic of my today discussion is Maharshi's 5 fundamental and progress But before starting that, I want few appealing points from some selected school, please. So I request the teachers of NCE Bhopal, Nagaon, Bhopal 2, and MBN Satna. These four schools are requested to please give your appealing points. Is it clear?
Teachers from these four schools can ask or can give the most appealing point. Teachers from these schools.
MCE Bhopal,
Yes,
Nagaon,
MC Bhopal,
Nagaon,
MBM Nagaon,
MBM
Satna.
Bhopal, MBM Bhopal 2, and Satna.
Okay, sir. MBM Bhopal 2 and MBM Satna. If you want to give the most appealing point, please unmute your mic and say something.
Jai Gurudev, sir. Myself, Alka Singh. I am from Satna, MBM Satna. The most appealing point is a few people practicing consciousness-based programs can provide the basis for all positivity in the community or nation. Jai Gurudev.
Good, good.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Jai Gurudev, sir.
Jai Gurudev, Jai Gurudev, ma'am.
Myself, Renuka Sinha from MCE Bhopal. My most appealing point is कल्चर वह होता है जो हमारा सृजन करता है और अच्छा इंसान बनाने के लिए सहायक होता है। जब हम कल्चर के हिसाब से चलते हैं तो खुशहाल बनते हैं। जय गुरुदेव।
Good, 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 good.
Teachers from MBM Nagaon.
Bhopal 2.
जय गुरुदेव सर, मैं संगीता जैन। माय अपीलिंग पॉइंट ट्रांजिस्टर मेडिटेशन तकनीक इसकी उन्नत तकनीकों के नियमित अभ्यास है जिसपे हम TMCP कार्यक्रम शामिल है जो चेतना का विस्तार करती है और रचनात्मक क्षमता को उजागर करती है और प्रकृति के सभी नियमों के अनुरूप हम अपनी जीवन शैली को उसी हिसाब से जी सकते हैं। जैसे सर आपने बताया था रेगिस्तान में रहने वाले लोग और ठंडे प्रदेश में रहने वाले लोग आपस में एक दूसरे के वस्त्र नहीं पहन सकते।
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Good. Okay.
Jai Gurudev, sir. My name is Mamta Pandey from MBM Satna. My most appealing point is the source of the all culture is a field of fulfillment. Jai Gurudev, sir.
Jai Gurudev, Jai Gurudev, Jai Gurudev. Okay, now, please, let me continue now.
Yes,
Let
sir.
me
Yes,
continue. Yes.
yes, sir.
Now, Maharshi ji says the Maharshi's 5 fundamental of progress and culture. The fundamental of progress are the same as the fundamentals of culture. They are stability, adaptability, integration, purification, and growth. Stability. भगवद गीता में भगवान कृष्ण ने अर्जुन से बार बार कहा स्थित प्रज्ञ होने के लिए, स्थित प्रज्ञ होकर के कार्य करो। यही महर्षि जी ने इसको यहाँ पर स्टेबिलिटी कहा है। आगे मैं इसको आपको विस्तार में बताऊंगा। देन नेक्स्ट इज अडॉप्टेबिलिटी। अडॉप्टेबिलिटी क्या चीज है? इसको आप इस तरीके से समझ सकते हैं कि सारी अच्छाइयों को सहजता से जब हम ग्राह्य कर लेते हैं, उसको अपने आप में अंगीकार कर लेते हैं, वो अडॉप्टेबिलिटी है, इंटीग्रेशन। जब किसी स्थिति प्रज्ञ होकर के किसी कॉन्सेप्ट को या किसी विचार को या किसी रूल को हमने लिया या अच्छी कोई चीज सीखी और उसका फिर हम अपने जीवन में लक्ष्य बना के उसको आगे बढ़ते हैं, तो वो इंटीग्रेशन है, एक प्रकार से उसका सामंजस्य। एंड प्यूरिफिकेशन एंड ग्रोथ, ये तो बिल्कुल सिंपल, आप इसको समझ रहे होंगे। आगे देखें। अ हेल्दी कल्चर, a culture in which total natural law is lively, is stable. It maintains its own integrity, its wholeness, no matter what the influences from inside or outside the culture. On the basis of this stability, it adopts new ideas, new technology, the new way of doing things without disrupting the culture and losing its integrity. It integrates these new elements without weakening the culture. It purifies these new elements of the anything that is not life supporting, and as a result, it keeps growing and progress in all positive life nursing ways. Now, my first point is stability. One of the 5 fundamentals of culture, which refers to the ability to be strong and firm in the face of outside influences. The quality of stability finds its origin in the invincible nature of the unified field of natural law, the eternal, non-changing field of pure creative intelligence responsible for administering the entire universe. When the citizens of a country are established in the unshakable foundation of the totality of natural law, any influence coming from the outside the country, whether it is cultural influence, economic influence, political influence, religious influence, or intellectual influence, cannot overthrow or upset the cultural integrity of the nation. On this stable basis, progress is unrestricted. Adaptability. One of the 5 fundamentals of culture, which refers to the ability to adapt and change in order to grow and progress. The quality of adaptability finds its origin in the infinite flexibility and pure wakefulness of the unified field, the ever vigilant field of the possibility that organizes for the in the universe at every moment. When the citizens of a country are established in the field of all possibilities, total and natural law, a culture can adapt to the changing nature of time without losing its integrity. On this foundation of the adaptability, a nation is able to move forward unrestricted, taking advantage of all the creative potential that is lively in the laws of nature. A healthy culture is adaptable, accepting new ways of thinking and doing things that help in achieve its goal. अडाप्टेबिलिटी में यहाँ पर ये बताना चाह रहे हैं, महर्षि जी कहते हैं कि जो अच्छी चीजें होती हैं उसको हम स्वीकार कर लेते हैं और जो हमारे लिए सपोर्टिंग नहीं है उनको हम नहीं स्वीकार करते हैं। इसको कह सकते हैं साधु तो ऐसा चाहिए जैसे सूप सुहाए, सार सार को गही रहे, सोता दे उड़ाए। एक अच्छा जेंटलमैन पर्सन वो है, या अच्छा समाज या अच्छा देश, जिस प्रकार से एक सूप में जब अपन अपनी फसल को साफ करते हैं तो उसमें जो अच्छा अच्छा अनाज होता है वो सूप में रह जाता है और जो कचरा होता है वो बाहर निकल कर तोड़ के फेंक जाता है। तो इसी प्रकार से जो बाहरी इन्फ्लुएंसेस हैं उनमें ये नहीं है कि सारे इन्फ्लुएंस अच्छे ही हैं या सारे इन्फ्लुएंसेस बुरे ही हैं। जो अच्छे इन्फ्लुएंसेस हैं उनको एक अच्छे, और उसका आधार क्या है, किस आधार पर ये अडेप्ट करते हैं, उसका आधार केवल और केवल वही बार बार पीएम एंड टीएम सिद्धि प्रोग्राम, जिसके द्वारा व्यक्ति और फिर समाज और फिर देश एक उस अवस्था में होता है कि ये उस पर निर्णय कर सकते हैं. The next point is integration. One of the 5 fundamental of culture, which refers to the ability to take in some form outside and incorporate in comfortable into our life or our culture. The quality of integration finds its origin in the perfect balance of the unified field, that field of life capable of harmonizing the infinite diversity of the universe into an integrated, ever-evolving world. When the quality of integration is lively in national consciousness, any new knowledge or the technology from everywhere, anywhere, that will be fully helpful for the nation progress, will be integrated into the cultural without any negative side effect and all positive progressive results. A healthy culture integrate what is useful for its progress. एक हेल्दी कल्चर वो कल्चर होता है जो उन्हीं चीजों को अडॉप्ट करता है बाहर से जो कि उसके लिए प्रोग्रेस के लिए अनुकूल होती हैं. नाउ आई वांट few more appealing point from these school: MBM Ratanpur, MBM Sagar, MBM Panna, MBM Riva. These 4 schools are requested. Please, one teacher from one school. Is it clear? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Sir, yes, sir.
Jai Gurudev sir, I am Renu Singh Sisodia from MVM Ratanpur.
Okay.
On the TM and TM Siddhi program is the basis through which we accept the good things and negativity is not being accepted.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Good. Thank you. Thank you.
From MBM Sagar, if you want to say something.
Jai Gurudev sir.
Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev sir. I am from Sagar, and sir, Maharshi, 5 fundamentals of progress and cultures are: first, stability; second, adaptability; third, integration; fourth, purification; and fifth, growth. And it plays a very important role in our culture. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Jai Gurudev sir. Sir, my name is Sapna Dwivedi from MBM Riva. Sir, according to me, the most appealing point is that all 5 fundamentals of progress and culture need to be enlivened in a nation in order for every culture and nations as a whole to enjoy progress without any negative effects. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Jai Gurudev. Thank you.
Jai Gurudev sir, I am from MBM Panna, Rahul Sharma. My most appealing point is that purification. To become pure, to free from anything that deways, pollutes, alterates, and contaminates. These are the 5. There are 5 fundamentals: stability, adaptability, purification, integration, and growth.
Okay. Jai Gurudev.
Example is that the cell has several structures, including lysosome, peroxisomes, which digest and eliminate unwanted chemicals, toxins, or organisms from outside the cell. Thank you.
Okay. So let me continue now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And the next point is purification. One of the fundamental of culture, which refers to the ability to remove impurities from a situation or system. The quality of purification finds its origin in transcendental consciousness, the unified field of all the laws of nature, which is pure self-referral consciousness, pure creative intelligence, without anything else. When the collective consciousness of a country is lively in the unified value of natural law, the quality of purification ensures that life-damaging values are not adopted. They automatically remain outside of one's area of concern. The quality of purification is seen everywhere in nature. The natural world is organized to allow those influences that might not be beneficial to one area of the nature to be used by another. For example, trees absorb and make use of the carbon dioxide and that human beings exhale, and human beings breathe in the oxygen that plants generate through photosynthesis. A healthy culture purifies itself from anything damaging to its holistic progress. Now the point is growth. One of the five fundamental of culture, the quality of growth finds its origin in the impulses of consciousness to know itself. The fulfillment and goal of growth for human being is enjoyed in the highest state of consciousness. When the citizens of a nation are stable, adaptable, integrated, and pure, life nursing growth is natural, spontaneous results leading to unrestricted progress for the nation. Which, when these four fundamentals are lively, progress and growth are then intelligent. For any culture to maintain itself, it must continue to grow. तो यहाँ ये बताना चाह रहे हैं कि जब ये सारे चार के चार एलिमेंट्स एक साथ कार्य करते हैं तो ग्रोथ तो होना क्वाइट नेचुरल है, बट नेचुरल है. Then these five fundamentals describe the very nature of life to grow, for life to progress, for the individual or the culture. Five qualities must be present. A healthy culture is stable, maintaining its integrity in the face of continuous changes. A healthy culture is adaptable, accepting new ways of thinking and doing things that help it to achieve its goal. A healthy culture integrates what is useful for its progress. A healthy culture purifies itself from anything damaging to its holistic progress. And these four fundamentals are lively, progress and growth are the natural result. Any culture to maintain itself must continue to grow. The same fundamental of progress apply to an individual. ये फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ प्रोग्रेस के जो सिद्धांत हैं ये व्यक्ति विशेष पर कैसे लागू होते हैं वो यहाँ पर महर्षि जी बता रहे हैं. The more stable and even we are inside, the more flexible and adaptable we are to changing circumstances and situations. तो जब हम अपने ध्यान और सिद्धि के कार्यक्रम में होते हैं, भावातीत ध्यान की सर्वोच्चम अवस्था पर होते हैं, तो अंदर से जागृत और बाहर से बिल्कुल शांत, यह चीज यहाँ पर दिख रही है. On the basis of our stability and adaptability, we more quickly take advantage of new opportunities for progress, integrating into our life what is useful to our progress without losing our inner stability and integrity. At the same time, we are integrating new ideas and ways of doing things. We are ignoring or purifying what isn't useful to our progress. The result, we continue to grow quickly towards our full potential in enlightenment. Now my next subtitle is the qualities of these five fundamentals. So let me start with stability. Stability finds its origin in the invincible nature of unified field of natural law, the eternal, non-changing field of pure creative intelligence, responsible for administrating the entire universe. When the citizens of a country are established in the unshakable foundation of the totality of natural law, and influence coming from outside the country, culture, economic, political, religious, or intellectual, cannot overthrow or upset the cultural integrity of the nation. On the stable basis, progress is unrestricted. Now, the quality of adaptability. The quality of adaptability finds its origin in the infinite flexibility and pure wakefulness of the unified field, the ever vigilant field of all possibilities that organizes for the progress of everything in the universe at every moment. When the citizens of a country are established in the field of all possibilities of total natural law, a culture can adapt to the changing nature of time without losing its integrity. On this foundation of adaptability, a nation is able to move forward unobstructed, taking advantage of all the creative potential that is lively in the laws of nature of the land. The quality of integration finds its origin in the perfect balance of unified field, that field of life capable of harmonizing the infinite diversity of the universe into an integrated, ever-evolving whole. When the quality of integration is likely in national consciousness and new knowledge of technology from everywhere, that will be fully helpful for the nation progress, will be integrated into culture without any negative and side effect, and all positive progressive results. The quality of purification finds its origin in transcendental consciousness, the unified field of natural law, which is pure self-propelled consciousness, pure creative intelligence without anything else. Maharishi explained that when the collective consciousness of the country is lively in the unified value of natural law, the quality of purification ensures that life-damaging value are not adopted, they automatically remain outside of the one concern. The quality of growth finds its origin in the impulse of consciousness to know itself, and the fundamental of growth is in the development of the highest state of consciousness, the goal of evolution. When the citizens of a nation are established in stability, adaptability, integration, and purification, life nursing growth is the natural, spontaneous results leading to the universal progress for every culture. तो जब हम TM and TM सिद्धि प्रोग्राम इंक्लूडिंग योगिक फ्लाइंग ट्वाइस डेली प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, तो ये जितने भी फंडामेंटल्स हैं ये ऑटोमेटिकली हमारे अंदर जनरेट हो जाते हैं. स्टेबिलिटी, अडॉप्टेबिलिटी, इंटीग्रेशन, प्यूरिफिकेशन, तो ये सब बाद में रिजल्ट्स होते हैं लीडिंग टू द प्रोग्रेस एवरी कल्चर. All five fundamental of progress and culture need to be enlivened in a nation in order for every culture and the nation as a whole to enjoy progress without any negative effect. And all five of these qualities, stability, adaptability, integration, purification, and growth, have been shown by scientific research to be enlivened in individual life and society through the transcendental meditation and TM program, including yogic flying. Therefore, through a sufficient large permanent group of yogic flying in every nation, the fundamental of culture and progress will be permanently laid in country. Now I request another group of 4 schools for the appealing point. MEM Chhatarpur 1, MEM Beresia, MEM Tikamgarh, MEM Indore 2. Please. One teacher from one school.
जी
MEM Chhatarpur 1. MEM
जी
Barasia.
I am M.K. Dikshit from Chhatarpur. Purification. The quality unified field without any else. Unified value of natural law. Everywhere nature. Trees absorb carbon dioxide and give oxygen due to photosynthesis. Thank you. जय गुरुदेव।
मैं सक्षम भंडारी MBM इंदौर 2 से। हम उन्हीं चीजों को ग्रहण करते हैं जो हमारे प्रोग्रेस के लिए होती है, और जो हमारे प्रोग्रेस के लिए नहीं होती है हम उन चीजों को छोड़ देते हैं। ठीक इसी प्रकार भावातीत ध्यान एवं सिद्धि करने से हम अपनी आत्मा से जागृत होते हैं और बाहर से एकदम शांत स्थिति में होते हैं, और जब हम शांत स्थिति में होते हैं तभी हम अपने कार्यों को अच्छे से कर पाते हैं, और हमारी प्रगति भी शांत स्थिति में ही निर्भर रहती है। पूरी एकाग्रता से हम तभी काम करते हैं जब हम भावातीत ध्यान एवं सिद्धि का अभ्यास निरंतर करते रहते हैं।
Good, sir.
जय गुरुदेव सर। जय गुरुदेव सर।
जय गुरुदेव।
सर, आई एम चंद्रमणि शर्मा फ्रॉम MBM पैरसिया।
जय गुरुदेव।
जब हम ध्यान और सिद्धि करते हैं तो हम अंदर से अंदर से जागृत होते हैं और बाहर से हम शांत अवस्था में होते हैं। महर्षि जी कहते हैं कि हम जब भी ध्यान से करते हैं, सिद्धि करते हैं, तो हमारी जो चेतना है वो जागृत हो जाती है। और जिस प्रकार कबीरदास जी ने भी कहा है कि साधु ऐसा चाहिए जैसा शुभ सुभाए, सार सार को गेही रहे थोथा देहि उड़ाए। तो साधु ऐसा होता है कि जो अनाज, जिस प्रकार सूप अनाज को अपने अंदर ग्रहण कर लेता है और कचड़े को बाहर कर देता है, उसी प्रकार जो साधु होते हैं, जो सज्जन पुरुष होते हैं, वो अच्छाइयों को ग्रहण कर लेते हैं और बुराइयों को त्याग देते हैं। तो जब हम ध्यान करते हैं, सिद्धि करते हैं, तो हमारे अंदर एक पावर आता है, नेचर भी हमारा सपोर्ट करता है, जिससे हमें ये पता चलता है कि हमें अच्छाइयाँ क्या है और बुराइयाँ क्या है। हम अच्छाइयों को किस प्रकार ग्रहण कर सकते हैं, बुराइयों को किस प्रकार त्याग सकते हैं। और जब हम ध्यान सिद्धि करते हैं तो जो 5 फंडामेंटल्स प्रोग्रेस हैं वो सब उसके अंदर आ जाते हैं, और इसी से हमारी प्रोग्रेस होती है। नेचर भी करते हैं तो जो 5 फंडामेंटल्स प्रोग्रेस हैं वो सब उसके अंदर आ जाते हैं, और इसी से हमारी प्रोग्रेस होती है और नेचर भी हमारा सपोर्ट करता है। जय गुरुदेव। थैंक यू।
जय गुरुदेव। गुड मैन।
जय गुरुदेव सर। आई एम पूर्णिमा खरे फ्रॉम MBM टीकमगढ़।
जय गुरुदेव।
According to me, my appealing points through photosynthesis is a healthy cultural purify itself from anything damaging to its holistic progress. Jai Gurudev, Jai Maharshi.
Okay, Jai Gurudev. Thank you. Now let me continue.
जय गुरुदेव सर। जय गुरुदेव
One
सर।
teacher is allowed. Only one teacher.
ओके सर।
Okay. Now please continue. Because it is a time taking, no? So now my next point is, may I continue now, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Example of the 5 fundamentals of the culture in a family. When a family is loving and stable in the value, it puts on education and learning. For example, the parents are eager to adapt to new technologies or knowledge and adapt their own lives and family budgets to give their children every opportunity to expand their knowledge. They integrate into the family routine educational activities and items like book, educational games, computers, cultural trips, special lessons with expert teacher. Even when a family has minimal financial resource, a family who value education will always find way to integrate the deepest, most profound traditional knowledge into the family routine and take advantage of all the free learning activities in the community. Parents who value education will always guide their children to the highest knowledge available in the culture. At the same time, the parents naturally do their best to purify any knowledge that is not life nursing for the children. And if they are blessed with the knowledge about transcendental meditation, they integrate this practice into the family, which purifies every member of the family of any stress or dullness. The result is that the children grows quickly in knowledge and the joy of learning. The value of education is thus passed down to the children, and for their whole life, they are open to the highest knowledge and continue to enjoy rapid progress. तो यहाँ महर्षि जी कह रहे हैं कि जो शिक्षा के प्रति जागृत परिवार हैं, भले उनकी आर्थिक स्थिति उतनी संपन्न ना हो, लेकिन वो प्रयास करते हैं कि अपने बच्चों को अच्छी से अच्छी शिक्षा दिलाई जा सके। और ऐसे परिवारों में जहाँ पर कि टीएम ऑन टीएम सिद्धि प्रोग्राम, जहाँ की एक कल्चर, एक परंपरा बनी हुई है, वहाँ के बच्चे इस चीज से सबसे ज्यादा लाभान्वित होते हैं और उनको बहुत सहजता से वो ज्ञान आत्मसात कर लेते हैं और अपनी जिंदगी में प्रोग्रेस के रास्ते पर आगे बढ़ते हैं। नाउ द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द 5 fundamentals of culture in a nation. A country that is stable culturally, economically, socially, and politically, adapted to the possibility of international trade that will uphold the economy and nurse all the countries involved, selling product to other countries, not buying product from other countries. As a result, the country integrates into its national life the necessary organization, trade agreements, policies, and law for selling, for example, clothing, and buying, for example, wheat. And such a stable society naturally purifies itself for anything negative that could be created by international trade. The country makes sure that all workers involved in the trading process in all the different countries are receiving a fair wages, that safety standards are being met in all countries, that sustainable, life supporting, environmental, and healthy standards are being afforded, that all fair trade practices are being followed in by all the countries involved in the trading process. As a result, all partners grow from its international trade, increasing the prosperity and comfort of all the countries involved. So now I request a few more teachers, MBM Khargon, MBM Damoh, Indore 1, and Chhatarpur 3. Humble request, please give your appealing point.
Myself, Mrs. Asha Wag, MBM Khargon. My most appealing point is a healthy culture is adaptable, accepting new ways of thinking and doing things that help it to achieve goals. जैसे कि जो अच्छा होता है उसको हम स्वीकार करते हैं, जो अच्छा नहीं होता उसको हम अस्वीकार कर देते हैं। ओके, थैंक यू। जय गुरुदेव।
जय गुरुदेव, जय गुरुदेव।
जय गुरुदेव सर।
जय गुरुदेव।
जय गुरुदेव सर।
जय गुरुदेव, जय गुरुदेव जी।
I am Yogesh Srivastava from MBM Damoh.
Jai Gurudev, sir.
The most appealing point is enlivening the fundamentals of the cultural stability, adaptability, integration, purification, and growth through Mahasi TM and TM Siddhi programs. It will be fulfilled. जय गुरुदेव सर।
सर फिर मैडम का टर्न भी है सर।
हाँ, जस्ट लास्ट 2 minutes सर।
उनके बाद
जय गुरुदेव सर। My name is Vandana Vishkarma from MBM 3rd, Saranigate, Chhatarpur. Experience is the fundamental of education that takes information and transforms it into knowledge that can be used for achievement and fulfillment in life. Thank you, Jai Gurudev sir.
Good.
Jai Gurudev. So
So, thank you, sir. Thank you. It was a very good session about the culture and 5 fundamentals of the culture. And you begin from the beginning, I think so, wholeness, characteristics of the culture. Then you also explained about the 5 fundamentals of culture and also has given the examples. Now, that it was a wonderful and appealing point also well being submitted very wonderfully by the teachers. Now, I would like to well request and invite the Renu Rai madam. She should also well present the points about the culture and the 5 fundamentals of the culture. Yes, madam, please.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Respected course director, course coordinator, sir, CK Sharma, sir, all the principals of Bhopal Regional Schools, and my dear teachers. I am Mrs. Renu Rai, Principal Maharshi Vidya Mandir, Khargone. First of all, I wish to convey my sincere thanks to Shri C.K. Sharma sir for providing me this opportunity for review on Maharshi's fundamentals of progress and culture. Very thankful to Rajput sir. Rajput sir ने बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से आज Maharshi's fundamentals of progress and culture के सारे पॉइंट एक्सप्लेन किए. उन्होंने
thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
की डेफिनेशन बताई. कल्चर एज ए नाउन है ये बताया, और कल्चर एज ए वर्ड ये भी बताया. कल्चर एक अच्छा इंसान बनाता है. अगर हम अच्छे से कल्चर्ड हैं तो मीन्स वी आर द वेरी गुड ह्यूमन बीइंग्स. हमारा सृजन करता है. बारे में सर ने जो पॉइंट्स बताए वो मैं आपको शॉर्ट में बता रही हूँ. Rajput sir has very nicely fundamental of progress and culture, that adaptability, integration, unification and growth. इन्हें सर द्वारा बहुत ही सुंदर तरीके से एक्सप्लेन किया गया है, जैसा कि आपने अभी देखा. These 5 describe the very nature of life to grow. To progress for the individual or the culture, 5 qualities must be present. A healthy culture is stable, maintaining its integrity in the face of continuous change. A healthy culture is adaptable, accepting new ways of thinking and doing things that help it to achieve its goal. A healthy culture integrates what is useful for its progress. A healthy culture purifies itself from anything damaging to its holistic progress. When these 4 fundamentals are likely, progress and growth is the natural results. Any culture to maintain itself must continue to grow. जैसा कि राजपूत सर ने बताया, I would like to elaborate the 5 fundamentals of Maharshi's for progress and culture with reference to our Indian culture. Our Indian culture is so stable that in spite of many diversities, including the Muslim culture, British culture, our Indian culture is still alive. It has adopted the good values of different cultures and integrated those cultures with Indian culture and purified it from time to time for the growth of our Indian culture. इसमें आपने सुना कि 5 फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ कल्चर एंड प्रोग्रेस के पॉइंट आ गए हैं. A few examples of purification is abolition of sati pratha, abolition of child marriage, girls' education, equal rights for men and women, बेटी बचाओ एंड बेटी पढ़ाओ. ये सारे एग्जाम्पल्स हैं जो कि हमने अपने कल्चर में जो कि इनमें जो ये ठीक नहीं थे, इनको हमने हटाकर इन्हें हटा दिया और इसको दूसरे तरीके से इनको हमने अडॉप्ट किया, जिससे कि हमारे सोसाइटी की प्रोग्रेस और नेशन की प्रोग्रेस हो। Another example I am giving you. These characteristics also apply to large cultural group. A stable culture is adaptable, appreciating and learning from other cultures, integrating the best values, dissolving or purifying away those that are not life enhancing. Cultures are able to grow. This happens in multicultural neighborhoods, schools, cities, and countries. On a global scale, we evolve together, becoming a world family. The American Indian Lakota tradition cherishes the perspective that we are all related to Mitaku Oisin. The Vedic tradition upholds the values Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The world is my family. ये विशेषताएं बड़े सांस्कृतिक समूहों पर भी लागू होती हैं। एक स्थिर संस्कृति अन्य संस्कृतियों से अनुकूलनीय है। सराहना और सीखना, सर्वोत्तम मूल्य को एकत्रित करना, उन्हें दूर करना या शुद्ध करना जो जीवन को बढ़ाने वाली नहीं है, संस्कृतियों को विकसित करने में सक्षम है। यह बहुसांस्कृतिक पड़ोस स्कूलों, शहरों और देशों में होता है। वैश्विक स्तर पर हम विश्व परिवार बनकर एक साथ विकसित होते हैं। अमेरिकी भारतीय लकोटा परंपरा इस परिप्रेक्ष्य को पोषित करती है कि हम सभी संबंधी हैं। मिटकुए ओएसिन इन्होंने ये बताया कि हम सभी संबंधी हैं, हम सभी एक दूसरे से जुड़े हैं और वैदिक परंपरा वसुधैव कुटुंबकम, दुनिया मेरा परिवार है, को महत्व देती है। Maharshis, these 5 fundamentals are natural laws and universally applicable to individuals, to society, to nation and the whole world. All 5 fundamentals of progress and culture need to be enlivened in a nation in order for every culture and nation as a whole to enjoy progress without any negative effect. All 5 of these qualities, stability, adaptability, integration, purification and growth, have been shown by scientific research to enliven in individual life and society through the Transcendental Meditation and TM Siddhi program, including yogic flying. Therefore, through a sufficiently large permanent group of yogic flyer in every nation, the fundamentals of culture and progress will be permanently lively in the country. अगर किसी भी राष्ट्र के 8% पॉपुलेशन टीएम एंड टीएम सिद्धि प्रोग्राम और योगिक फ्लाइंग का नियमित अभ्यास करे तो वहां कल्चर व प्रोग्रेस परमानेंट रहेगी, कभी भी वहां नेगेटिविटी नहीं आएगी। ऑलवेज देयर विल बी पॉजिटिविटी। Every expression of life is an expression of laws of nature. When human awareness is in tune with the totality of natural law, when the totality of natural law is lively, then all of life, all the individual offshoot of the laws of nature will enjoy the support of the totality of natural law. And when this is living reality, there will be no end to progress. Now I am concluding my review topic with the quote of Maharshi Ji. By providing the means to gain enlightenment through the consciousness, Maharshi's consciousness-based education bring about an ideal education system in every culture as students and teachers rise in higher states of consciousness. The educational institutions of the land will become center of orderliness, harmony, and vitality of the whole society. Thank you. Jai Gurudev, Jai Maharshi. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. It's a complete review of the culture, and then you also narrated many examples taken from the various countries also, which have been customized and came into the phrases, and then you showed how those customized values have been made for the आप जैसे कहते हैं वसुधैव कुटुंबकम and to become a good human being. It's a great thing. Then you also narrated about the 5 fundamentals and then connected with the unified field and TM. So it's a wonderful, within a 10 minutes, everything has been well included and connected and given to the teachers. I think teachers all certainly have benefited with this kind of a knowledge. We should have been a very precise one when we want to well deliver the knowledge. Thank you, madam. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Please. Next, I would like to well invite Sneh Lata Dagar, madam. MBM 2 Indore. Yes.
Jai Gurudev, sir.
Jai Gurudev, please.
Respected regional coordinator Shri C.K. Sharma, sir, all principals and teachers, Jai Gurudev to all of you. First of all, I, Snehlata Dagar, Principal MVM 2 Indore, would like to convey my sincere thanks to Shri C.K. Sharma ji for providing me this opportunity. As our today's resource person, Mr. Mangal Singh Rajput sir, Principal MVM Tikamgarh, explained each and every point of Maharishi Fundamental of Progress and Culture very nicely and elaborately. After that, Mrs. Renu Rai ma'am, Principal MVM Khargon, reviewed very nicely and profoundly. Really, it was an excellent description. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. As per schedule, now it's my turn to deliver the summary of Maharishi Fundamentals of Progress and Culture. Maharishi ji explained to educators how to enliven the fundamentals of culture to strengthen and glorify the culture of any nation. As nature of life is to grow and evolve, and this is the basis of culture. Natural laws are responsible for the process of evolution of life in every country. Maharishi ji explained that the 5 fundamentals of progress and culture are: first, stability, that is sthirta; second, adaptability, that is anukulan shamta; third, integration, that is ekikaran; fourth, purification, that is shuddhikaran; and fifth, growth, that is vikas. Scientific experiments have shown that through transcendental meditation, these 5 qualities are enlivened in the life of the individual. Scientific research के ऊपर ही पूरा TM based है और उसी में अगर हम ये चीजें करते हैं तो ये क्वालिटीज enliven हो जाती हैं किसी भी इंडिविजुअल के अंदर. During the practice of the TM technique, the awareness adopts in a natural way to finer and finer experiences in quick succession. Maharishi ji said the sequential experience of finer states of thought develops the quality of adaptability in the nervous system. Maharishi ji explained that in the process of transcending during transcendental meditation, the awareness gains the eternally stable, non-changing state of transcendental consciousness. Unbounded awareness, this experience of transcendental consciousness produces a corresponding state of stability in the physiology. This growth of stability and adaptability takes place on both levels, physiological and psychological. When the experience shifts from transcending to transcendence, superior state में जाती हैं, महर्षि जी said from adaptability to stability. These two values are experienced almost simultaneously. This develops in the awareness the quality of integration, that is, the ability to integrate unboundedness and boundaries. Evolution cannot take place without purification. The value of purification ensures that only life supporting influences will be adopted. When adaptability, stability, integration, and purification are naturally involved in a process, it must be an evolutionary process, a process of growth. These 5 fundamentals of progress, stability, adaptability, integration, purification, and growth, are also the fundamentals of culture. The purpose of culture is to enliven, to refine, and to promote progress. The transcendental meditation is the natural procedure to enliven the fundamentals of culture in every nation and thereby glorify the dignity of every culture. At the same time, unlimited progress will be sustained by the laws of nature in that country. When the 5 fundamentals of progress are lively in all parts of the world, every culture will blossom in its full value and will become a fertilizer for every other culture. So it is important to honor and uphold our own unique cultural heritage while at the same time learning from other cultures. In our multicultural world, this approach is vital, very important. The Transcendental Meditation program enriches the individual value of every culture and at the same time provides a unifying influence that will harmonize all the diverse values in the world. Thank you very much, sir. Jai Gurudev, Jai Maharishi Ji.
Yes. Thank you, madam. Thank you. Very precisely well it is expressed about the culture and the fundamentals of the culture and how they are being progressive and useful for the growth. Thank you, madam. Thank you very much. Today it was a great session. Yes, thank you. Today it was a great session. Though before we sum up, let a kind of information that tomorrow Honorable Chairman sir will join exactly at 1 p.m. So it is a fortunate moment, or it will be a fortunate moment. He is well joining us, and he will offer a blessing to you all people who participated and made the course 1 and course 2 successful. I am really grateful and thankful to each and every principal who have well assisted and supported us. मैं बिल्कुल सभी मैच्योर्ड हैं, वॉइस रुक रही है उसमें. अच्छा, तो really I am grateful. दो वॉइस. I'm sorry, it is a technological slang and it happens. Life में भी जैसे कुछ ना कुछ होता रहता है, तो we have to well, जैसा आपने अभी पढ़ा ना, stability and adjustability, तो we have to well adjust, be stable, but we adjust according to the situation. That is the situation. So I'm sorry for that. Let me continue. I was intimating about I think so, joining of the Honorable Chairman, sir. So it's a great, wonderful moment. It would be tomorrow. So before that, I want to well convey my gratitude towards all great principals, 18 and 19 principals who joined with their team, जिन्होंने अपने team के साथ join किया and supported the course 1 and course 2. And it is my kind request that let me continue in the school with the studies and whenever we get the time, because this is a very prime duration, very prime time, running the school of 9 to 12, pre-boards, examinations, PTMs, and certain many functionaries and many functions are going on well. In addition to that, all the principals with the team, with all the teachers, 100 teachers involved in this activity from 1 p.m. to 1:30, I think so, it is not 1:20, we formally say, but the 20-30 minutes are being always ahead. So I'm really grateful. All the principal, Renu Madam, Principal Dikshit sir, Opanna, Damo, Mangal Singh Pandey, Mangal Singh Rajput sir, all Madam Dagar Madam hai, Mamta Madam hai, and all our Srivastav ji, and then Ratanpur Wale sir, then MC Madam hai, or all the principals, and really Satna Wali Madam hai. All the principals, they all cooperated and all took the active part for making the program success. I tried my best to provide the or you can say offer the opportunity to each and everyone so that nobody should be neglected. But if anybody is found ki mauka nahi mila, I'm really sorry. For the next chance, let you remind. So again, the opportunity will be given. मैं उसको बिल्कुल, अगर कोई नेग्लेक्टेड हुआ है अनविलिंगनेस अननोइंगली तो अनइंटेंशनली, तो यू रिमाइंड अस, वी विल अगेन गिव द अपॉर्चुनिटी. द वर्ड ऑफ मोटिव इज की मैक्सिमम नॉलेज शुड बी वेल इनकम्प्लीटेड और डिलीवर्ड टू आवर गुड वाइज डेडिकेटेड कमिटेड टीचर्स. एक्चुअली वी पीपल आर सक्सेसफुल बिकॉज आवर टीचर्स आर बीइंग वेल कमिटेड एंड वेरी ग्रेटफुल. तो मैं सभी टीचर्स को धन्यवाद देना चाहूंगा और उसी से ये कल्चर और 5 फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ कल्चर जुड़ा है, because of the values of our organization. This is well important. You know, as we say, the life, you know, life itself is an education. And when the life itself is an education, so what happens that the unified field, or you can say, or the natural laws, so due to those natural laws and local laws, the values are being immersed. So they are being affected by the permanent natural laws and some local natural laws. And according to the value, then we develop the various kind of cultures. As many examples being narrated by the Renu Rai Madam and also other principals. So, you know, when we live on the values, those are being culture the culture, and those are very, you can say, promotional. Those are all progressive and they are very supportive to our life. Then our life become very fulfilled and life nourished. Our everything is being nourished. तभी हमारा जो लाइफ होता है वो बहुत नरिश होता है. एज यू सी कि 5 फंडामेंटल्स जो हैं आपके SAIPG, साई PG बोलते हैं हम लोग शॉर्ट में. तो ये साई PG, इट इज वेरी एसेंशियल फॉर इन द लाइफ आल्सो. इफ फॉर्मली लेट यू टेक स्टेबिलिटी आपके जीवन में होनी चाहिए, बट स्टेबिलिटी डजंट मीन दैट यू शुड बी वेरी रिजिड. आपको अडॉप्टेबिलिटी भी होनी चाहिए एज पर द सिचुएशन एंड कंडीशन. ये लेट यू हैव टू वेल अडॉप्ट, चाहे वो वेदर से हो चाहे सिचुएशन से हो. और इंटीग्रेशन जरूर होना आपको चाहिए. लेट यू ट्राई टू वेल इंटीग्रेट विद द ऑल काइंड ऑफ एलिमेंट्स. और सबसे लास्ट में, वॉट एवर द वैल्यूज वी विल मीट, वॉट एवर द वैल्यूज वी विल फॉलो, दे मस्ट बी टाइमली प्यूरिफाइड. वो प्यूरिफाइड होना चाहिए. अ प्यूरिफाइड मैन कैन ओनली लिव अ वेरी सक्सेसफुल और पीसफुल लाइफ, or then only the growth is possible. So we all people who are the members of the great organization, Maharishi organization, I think so, the following the same thing. That's why I said we all principals are enjoying the successful movements due to the committed, due to the dedicated these wise teachers. हम आप टीचर्स हैं तो हम हैं आपके लिए, और हम आप सभी को धन्यवाद देते हैं. ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ ऑल द प्रिंसिपल्स, आई रियली कन्वे माई थैंक्स टू ऑल ग्रेट टीचर्स जिन्होंने छोड़ दिया है या जो स्टिल दे आर ज्वाइनिंग. तो हम उनको सभी को जरूर धन्यवाद देना चाहेंगे. तो मेरा लास्ट में रिक्वेस्ट ये था, कल 10 मिनट पहले लेट ज्वाइन विद इन 10 मिनट्स, बिकॉज अवर यू नो ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल डायरेक्टर्स एंड अवर यस ऑनरेबल चेयरमैन, दे आर वेरी स्टिक टू द टाइम. वो ठीक 1 बजे जरूर जुड़ जाएंगे और उनका समय बहुत वैल्यूएबल होता है और दे आर वेरी बिजी. तो अगर वो समय दे रहे हैं भी उनकी वैल्यू करनी चाहिए. एंड अल्टीमेटली ही इज अवर हायर अथॉरिटी, तो वी मस्ट पे द रिस्पेक्ट बाय ज्वाइनिंग विद इन अ टाइम. और वो अच्छी बात बताएंगे आपको जो आपके जीवन में और अपनी वैल्यूज को भी डेवलप करने का मौका मिलेगा. तो लेट टुडेज सेशन में आई एम थैंकफुल रियली टू द मंगल सिंह सर, एंड आई एम रियली थैंकफुल. रेणु राय मैडम हमेशा कोऑपरेट करते रहते हैं और हमेशा बहुत सपोर्ट करते रहते हैं, अच्छा बताते भी रहते हैं. और जैसा कि आज उनके यहाँ पर प्रोग्राम भी था, वैसा ही प्रोग्राम मेरे यहाँ भी था. और आपको मैं बताना चाहूंगा, उसमें एक IPS ऑफिसर आई थी, वो महर्षि की स्टूडेंट है. और तो वंडरफुल कि आज इतने दूरी पर हम सारे महर्षि विद्या मंदिर वाले निकल आए हैं कि नाउ एंड देन जिससे भी हम मिलते हैं जैसे कि आई स्टडीड इन द महर्षि, और जब वो उन्होंने बिगिन करते हैं वो जय गुरुदेव बोलते हैं तो वी अंडरस्टैंड, ओहो ये महर्षियन आ गया दोबारा। तो यू ऑल टीचर्स शुड फील प्राउड कि आप बहुत लंबी दूरी में आ गए हैं, अब आप छोटी दूरी में नहीं है। यू हैव गॉन बियॉन्ड द मेनी ईयर्स, नाउ यूर छोटी छोटी जो सैपलिंग थी वो हर रिप्यूटेड पोस्ट में पहुंच चुकी है, हर नूक एंड कॉर्नर में पहुंच चुकी है, एंड यू विल get the life supporting cooperation from those people. So I am now at last, I would like to thank to each and every one, and let we tomorrow meet and let get the blessings of the chairman, sir. Thank you very much.